buzz? Oh, I think it's my stomach. I'm happy. Stop. Okay, you know I'm switching. I'm borrowing your pillow.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
No, that pillow can't be involved.
It's gonna be my head.
No, it can't be involved.
Ah! That was a fail.
Put it back. Thank you.
Wait, what was I gonna do that for?
You missed spot.
Shh! Don't interrupt me. I'm in the middle of a masterpiece.
Hey, you dropped one.
Shut up! I'm gonna throw my wall at you. My wall of Bernie. Ah! The Russians are tearing apart my wall.
Why you gotta blame it on the Russians?
Someone's gotta blame it on them.
No, you're missing a pillow. You're still missing a spot. Your legs aren't covered.
Wait. I can do this. I can do this. I will make this is gonna be on my bucket list.
A fort before I die?
Out of pillows in your living room.
Why in my living room? It's not
Because I already started it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you better be sorry.
Oh. Ow, something stabbed my finger.
Shh.
Don't touch. I don't care.
I need a fuzzy pillow for this one.
That's not fuzzy.
It's fuzzier than you.
I'm not fuzzy. Ew, don't put your mouth on my pillows. That's what happens when you put your mouth on my pillows.
Ah! My neck hurts.
Hurry up, I have to finish my homework.
Shh.
You shh.
Wait, I'm missing my pillow.
Now you're missing another one.
Oh yeah.
Look at the other pillow.
Where? Where? Did I miss a pillow?
No, look at the pillow. Look down. Your stuffing's coming out.
My wall is being apart. It's made out of marshmallows.
That sounds good.
I know, right? Ah, my hat.
Hey, your eyes, but oh. Hey, your house broke.
It was my castle.
Castle my butt.
Your butt is a castle? You know what? I'm gonna rebuild this. Oh, yeah. Okay.
How long is this gonna take?
Don't judge the builder of construction.
The builder of construction?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.
You don't make sense.
I make sense.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, dang. What?
Okay, wait. My arm isn't in here.
My pillow.
Wait, I'm missing a pillow. Wait, am I missing a pillow?
Oh,
I'm
wait.
missing a pillow.
That's not supposed to be long there. I'm doing homework. Yeah. That's my messy table.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ah! I need a hat. Can you put that on top of my head,
No.
please?
There's another one right there and below.
Okay.
Hey, you're missing one.
Ah!
Fail.
You're a fail, right?
No, I'm not. Says me. What?
I thought I heard a little kid say says me.
Me too. Okay, are you done now? I see your eye. Oh, it's falling. Oh.
My wall fell. Ah!
Your wall fell between the couch.
And then my hat fell.
You look like you're trying to do a gangster graduation hat or something. No.
I don't know.
No. No, just stop. Just stop. No. Bye. Say bye.